Hi guys, welcome to the third episode of PCF tutorial for beginners. Today we'll see how we can enable a PCF control in a model driven app. Actually, this was supposed to be the second episode, but I missed this topic. So now let's see how we can enable PCF control. In the second episode, I have mentioned there are two types of templates to create a PCF control. One is for field and another one is for dataset. The type of field is for ordinary fields in a form and dataset is for subgrids and views. First, let's take field example. As you know, this is an opportunity form and you can see I'm going to the summary section and let's take the budget amount field. This is an ordinary currency field. Now I want to mask this field with a PCF control. Let's see how we can do this. Let's flip to the customization and form editor. Take the budget amount field. I'm sorry, I have clicked on currency field. Let it load. Close. Open the budget amount field. Properties. Switch to the Controls tab and click on Add Control. Here, system will list all the available PCF controls. Now, these are the out-of-the-box PCF controls. When you publish or import a new PCF control to an organization, it will be listed here. So I'm selecting this RNOB out-of-the-box control and add it. And there are some parameters. So when you create from your side, you can also select or include which all are the parameters required. So I'm adding max parameter, maximum parameter. There are two options when you add a parameter. It can be bind to the static value or value on a field. So that if you select on field, it will be automatically or dynamically taken from the current record. So that you don't have to hard code the value, parameter values. Now I'm giving max value as 100,000. Then step. For this control, step means like each moment how much it should increase. Let's say 100. Save and publish. Yes, it's saved and publishing now. So as I mentioned, you can define a lot of properties when you create a new PCF control, like which all data types it should support and which all should be the parameters, mandatory parameters, non-mandatory parameters, default values, and all these things can be defined at the project level itself. Those things we will see when we create a new PCF control. So I have refreshed the form. Let's see what happens. Exploring. Yes. Summary section, summary tab. Nothing happened. It was supposed to be masked with the PCF control, right? What happened? Let's go back to the PCF control setting again. Select the field properties. Yes, control section. Oh, this is the reason. When you add a new control, you should say which form this should be applied, like web form or mobile form or a tablet. So system will automatically identify the form factor and display accordingly. So I'm selecting web now. Okay, save, publish. Published. Now let's refresh the page. Yes, refreshed. Yes, now you can see the field has been masked with the PCF control. See, this is more user friendly or more appealing to the user. So this is how you can mask an ordinary field or transform an ordinary field into something which is very user friendly and appealing to the user. So that's it guys. Next video we'll see how to enable PCF control for a dataset.